Hi guys, welcome back to Prevlogs. Now on this channel I try to share my study insights, daily life and tech study challenges. Now this video is going to be one of the most requested video on our channel. Lot of you were asking me about what I'm preparing for, which books I'm using as a reference or any particular YouTube channel which I'm following for the preparation. So finally the wait is over. In this video, I'll be sharing which books I'm using as a reference, any particular YouTube channel which I'm following for the preparation. Also, along with that, I will also try to share a standard book list so that you can go through that list and prepare your own strategy. Before going in further, let me take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Priyanka and I appeared for my last semester, that is semester 4th of my masters in organic chemistry, and currently I am waiting for my results. Meanwhile, I am preparing for CSIR NET Chemical Sciences 2021. I think this much introduction is enough for this video. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. These are all the books which I have in my personal book collection. I got this all in a book grant. Well, that is another story how I got these books, and probably I will make one more video regarding it. But for this video, we'll only consider the books which we want for our preparation. As we all know, NET chemistry exam has three major subjects in it, which are organic, inorganic and physical chemistry. Now all three subjects has its own specified book list. If you even go on the internet and search for reference book list, you will come across various kinds of the sites which offers or gives you an reference books for a particular subject. In this video, I have actually tried to give you some books which I am personally following, I am comfortable with, and maybe as a beginner it will be helpful for you too. We'll first start with the organic chemistry. Now here I will give you an idea about some of the standard books which you can follow for your preparation. Now first thing comes first. You need to clear your basics, and for that I would suggest you to read Claydon or Morrison and Boyd, which is pretty basic book, or Jerry March, or there are some other books too which you can follow for your general organic chemistry. Try to clear your general organic chemistry concept from any of these books and then go for the advanced reading. Now apart from GOC, there are some specified topics in organic chemistry like spectro, stereo, then reaction mechanism, name reactions, a lot actually. So the major question arises which books to follow for these specified topics. So if you are a beginner, I would suggest you go for Indian authors first and then afterward shift your focus towards the foreign authors. That eases your transition. These are the three books which I am following for stereochemistry, spectroscopy and organic reaction mechanism. These are from the author P.S. Kelsey, and I am actually pretty comfortable with these books, and you can get these books on a Flipkart as well as on Amazon. I will share the link in the description box. Along with these books, there is one more highly recommended book which is Carathar, and it's very good for preparation. So these are all the books which I'm following for the organic chemistry so far. Now let's just have a word on the inorganic chemistry. For inorganic chemistry, I'm referring Principles of Inorganic Chemistry by Puri Sharma and Kalia. Now it's one of the concise book which has all topics in it, and it's very good for the beginners. Along with that, you can also follow Shivaran Atkins and Hui, but I don't do that actually. So for physical chemistry, I'm using the same book, that's Principles of Physical Chemistry by Puri Sharma and Pathania. And for quantum, you can go for the Irvine, but I haven't started with it yet. Though I have the book with me, but I never got that courage to start with the quantum chemistry. That's another history. So yeah, that's it for the books. These are the books which I'm following for my preparations. So apart from books, I also follow some of the YouTube channels for my preparation. Personally, I can recommend you to go for the Chem Academy YouTube channel. They have excellent video collections for CSIR NET chemistry, also some other examinations too. So it's actually a good video platform to start your preparation. Apart from Chem Academy, you can also go for the J Chemistry. Now Jyoti Rathi ma'am, she also provides an excellent content for the preparation. This is all I'm using for my preparation so far. All the books and YouTube channel links will be provided into the description box. If you're interested, you can go and purchase books for yourself. Also, you can go and check out the YouTube channels and start your preparation. All the best. And also, guys, please subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, whatever you can do to support us. We really appreciate it. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.